Well, that time of year again. In honor of Maz's birthday, the boys get together and do a little skiing. It's become known as Ski Idiots. This is the third season of Ski Idiots. This year is a little different. There's a gnar outbreak on the slopes of Welch. The only way to deal with it was to shred it. So they called the boys down for a special kind of a task force. They thought Ski Idiots were the perfect guys for the job, so we went down there. Led by Senior Captain Gramps Cole, the boys set up base camp in the parking lot this year. Had themselves a new grill. They were down a man. Hector had a piece of gnar bit him in the leg, and so he was out, but the boys persevered, what was left of them, and they shredded max gnar. Hold on to your butts. It's quite a ride.
Taco truck, come in. Taco truck, we're reading you loud and clear, big buddy, 10-4. What's it looking like down there weather-wise? Be real careful up there on Tickle Mountain. Heard there's a storm rolling in. Alright, keep us posted.
Good.
Yeah. How'd you think?
Pretty good. I'd give it a 7.5 out of 8.
Conditions are looking pretty good today. Later's little helper.
Good for what ails ya. We're out here in the prime of our lives, gentlemen.
Nobody get paralyzed.
Nobody get paralyzed yet. Save that for the end.
Freebird to taco truck. Freebird to taco truck, come in. Freebird, we just got word on the radar. There's some bad weather rolling in here. You guys take it real careful up there. We're gonna get the chopper fired up just in case. Yeah, these birds are gonna fly in the nest. Get the solo stove fired up and break out that hard salami, boys. We're ready to nest for a while. Over. Alright, 10-4 Freebird. We've got base camp all set up for you. We'll see you in a few minutes here. Got the vittles locked down and ready to go. This is base camp, over and out. 102.
What do you think of that little short performance we just had?
It was short and sweet, just like me.
Hey, how was your skiing? That was good. You guys did great.
We dominated.
Wow.
Sweet.
You guys went down once. I can't
Twice.
believe it. You fell?
I fell. Huge pile of snow, avalanche behind
You
me.
need to go to the ER.
Had a yard sale.
Faces look cold.
I know. I'm actually not that cold. I think it's just like your face gets.
Hector, how you feeling?
That thing jacked me up.
How dumb this is. That is dumb. Who does this?
What is that?
It's supposed to be a garbage can. Oh, God, what kind of junior bags did you buy? Anyone need any trail mix? Caramel cashew? What about a kid's Z-bar? Oreo cookie?
Oh my gosh, stop yelling. No.
Anyone need a pepperoni sandwich?
I'll take a
Ah, a little pepperoni sandwich.
Wait, Matt, what kind of sandwich is it?
Pepperoni.
What is it? What can you tell us about it? A little preparation beforehand goes a long way. With little pepperoni sandwiches. Some stuff here so we can go shred. Oh my god. Holy crap.
What are we gonna pick up?
Table, all the food, the beer.
I can't even
Gotta pick
see
some
my
stuff
own
up.
face and I'm grossed out by it.
You're right, man. I thought I was gonna wipe right after.
I'm like all my
Quality.
attention what I'm doing.
Yep. I see them, they're right over here. I got a good wipeout on tape.
Now we're just getting into our afternoon here. A nice little lunch break. We're gonna go see if the snow's held up.
Were you happy with your morning performance?
Yeah, the morning was nice. Snow's good and hard, it's fast.
Freebird to taco truck. Freebird to taco truck, come in. We're reading you loud and clear, big buddy, 10-4. Yeah, we just got to the top of the lift. We're over here by Ski Bob. We're gonna make our way over to this region, some amazing grace. Work our way down, shred hard, and meet you here. A little break, over. Alright, the sweetmeats are long gone. Sweetmeats have all been eaten. We went through most of the Doritos, a couple of nacho cheese left, and hard salami is, well, been dropped a few times. They're on their way, alright? We got a problem.
By the power of Welch, I have shred. Are you serious? Oh God.
What level was that?
I don't know. I'm trying to remember what I started at.
I think you started at like a 7.2
No, that was. You said 6. I immediately went up to a 7.
Oh yeah, you were low, yeah.
After that run.
Later's a little helper.
I feel so much like it's amazing. Goes down smooth. Good conditions. A little flat for the lighting still, but you know, we make the best of it. We change our lenses out for the goggles, and we keep attacking.
So you're
the
feeling pretty good,
we
right?
keep attacking the mountain. Every run we get better, and we're just working on our turns today. Mainly today's about getting your turns down.
What do you think of that, Mass? Bunch of BS?
Yeah, sounds made up.
Big problems. Over out. Get it away from me!